Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we're going to be looking at how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook. Many of you have been wondering, how can I automate it? These are regular emails. How do I automate them? It's very simple. The first thing you can do, you can utilize the Outlook's recurrence feature. You see, when you compose your email, after creating your email you want to send repeatedly, you can just simply click the options tab in the email window and then you select recurrence. Then choose the recurrence pattern. Is it going to be daily? Does it send it every day, every weekday, or every other day? It's going to be weekly. So you can choose to send on specific days of the week. You can choose maybe Mondays and Wednesdays. And then is it going to be monthly? Send on a specific date of the month. So you choose recurrence pattern. After choosing recurrence pattern, choose you have to send it yearly on a specific date each year. So after choosing recurrence pattern, next you define the start and the end dates for the recurring emails. After that, click on OK to save the recurrent settings. This is the first way you can do it. If you don't do it this way, you can also use rules. This is for more complex scenarios. How do you use rules? You have to create a rule. So you go to File, click on Rules, then click on Manage Rules and Alert, then click on New Rules. So once you open the New Rules option, the next thing you're going to do is to select a template, or you can start from a blank rule. Then you define the conditions, specify when the rule should be triggered, e.g. when a specific word appears in the subject line. You can do that. Then you can now, after defining the conditions, specify the action. So you can choose sending message to, and then you enter the recipient's email address. Then next you set the schedule. So by clicking the schedule the message to be sent option, then you now to use it to define the recurring send time. So that's the second way you can do it. Now if you want to use those two ways, you can use this third way, which is to consider third-party tools. This is for advanced automation. We have third-party tools like Microsoft Power Automate. We have Zapier. Let's start with Microsoft Power Automate. This is a cloud-based platform and integrates with Outlook and allows for more complex automation workflows, including sending recurring emails based on various triggers. Then we have Zapier. This is another popular integration platform that can connect with Outlook. With other services and automate tasks, including sending recurring emails. Now, there's some things you need to consider very well before you choose any of them. 1. Ensure your email list is clean and up to date. So you have to have good email list management. Then, email deliverability. So monitor your email deliverability rates to avoid being flagged as spam. Next, you have to test queries. So you need to test your automated emails to ensure they are being sent correctly and at the scheduled or desired intervals. By using these methods, you can effectively automate regular emails in Outlook, saving you time and effort while still maintaining your consistent communication with your contact. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.